In this quick tutorial, I will show you type tool and area type tool inside Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into it. I am now in the Illustrator. I have already opened a canvas. So I am accessing the type tool from here. This is type tool, which keyboard shortcut is T, and under it this is area type tool. So I am selecting type tool. You can see this is also called point type tool. You can see type tool enter text at a point or in a container. You can enter text at a point or in a container. So I am clicking here. You can see I am clicking here. This is a type already typed in the Illustrator canvas, and default font is Illustrator Myriad Pro, regular size, regular style, and 12 point is font size. So this is point type tool. But if I hold down the cursor here and drag it to the lower part, you can see this is act as, now this is area type tool. Okay, so point type tool is now act as area type tool. So I am selecting selection tool. You can see if I drag this, stretch this, the font size increase. You can see now it is 12 point, and after that it is stretched to 35.84 point. So it is stretching. You can see I am stretching also the area type tool, but it didn't stretch the text rather than the area filled with it. So an adjust text is also adjusted with the new area type tool. So I hope you got the basic difference of it. So now you can see I am selecting the point type tool. Here is the handle. If you can see the type small button appeared here. If I double click it, you can see double click to convert the area type. It is converted as area type. Now if I stretch it, you can see now the text is not stretching. No more stretching. It is a area rather than area is stretching here, as this is a now area type converted to area type. I am also selecting it. I am double clicking here, and you can see now it is converted to point type tool. You can see I am stretching and all the text is stretched accordingly. So again I am clicking here and it is converted also to area text type. Here also another option, I am selecting direct selection tool. You can easily modify or change the shape of this area, filled area. I am clicking here and adjusting. You can see the text automatically adjusted with the changed layout. You can see the text layout has been changed. I can even make it curvy by selecting little angle curves. So you can also decorate the text orientation, text placement in the canvas by using direct selection tool. So that was for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will helpful to you. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.